Now you can have a tasty character breakfast at home with our classic 2-slice Mickey Mouse toaster. So easy to use you'll leave a lasting impression after every meal. Add an extra amount of Walt Disney magic to your home by making Mickey Mouse Toast a special addition to your nutritious breakfast. The Mickey Mouse Toaster introduces a perfect mix of fun and function to your mornings. That way you can start the day right for all of life's adventures. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 2-slice toaster. Embrace your nostalgic love for Disney with the Mickey Toaster. It features a classic Mickey graphic, and not only is this graphic on the side cool, it is also cool to the touch for extra safety. Number 2. Mickey Symbol Imprint. Are you bored of plain, regular toast? Do you also enjoy finding hidden Mickeys in the coolest places? Well, why not try one on your toast? Number 3. Adjustable Browning Control. A dream is a wish your heart makes. So what kind of toast do you dream of? The Mickey Mouse Toaster aims to grant this wish with an adjustable dial. Your options are endless. Number 4. Plunger and wide slots. You don't need extra Disney magic to pull this toast out easily. Simply pull up the press handle for a high-rise toast lift. Wide slots with self-centering bread lines also make toasting easy. Number 5. Mickey Character Imprint on Toast. Extra wide slots with self-centering bread guides and high-rise toast lift, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.